In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create website mockups in Figma using a 3D mockup plugin. To get started, open your Figma project and make sure your website design is ready. Select the frame you want to showcase as a mockup. Next, open the Actions menu and select Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, search for Clay Mockups 3D and open the plugin. Once the plugin launches, choose the Website Mockup option and select your website frame. The plugin will automatically place your design into a 3D device mockup. After that, customize the presentation by adjusting the device angle, camera position, and device color until you're happy with the result. When everything looks good, click Save as Image to export the final mockup. And that's it! You've successfully created a website mockup in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.